is going to be the site of our next display home in Jindowie, Yanchep. It's going to be working on the concept of having a more, I guess, the modern day beach shack, so that we've taken the design core elements of the traditional sort of beach shack that you find and done an updated version of it. It's going to be fully framed with bifold windows, all that sort of thing, so it can be fully opened up. I guess to capitalise, well, the idea of the design is to capitalise on blocks with ocean fronts or coastal views, and by having all the bifold doors and that, we can sort of open up as a breezeway to cool the house down in summer. It's a Skillian design to sort of tie in more with the coastal, and we've used a mixture of James Hardie's weatherboard products, so the linear and the matrix, which is some of their new products that we've used previously in that. So it's a chance for us to showcase them and show people what's available in the market and what can be done with framed housing. I think because it's framed, we'll be able to get it up pretty quick, so it should be good to see, to set the challenge of how quick we can build a house framed. Okay, so at the moment, you'll see probably about a couple of days ago, this was all just one level. We've had the earthworkers here. They've already cut into a few different places, and that's just to do with the levels of the home. So here's going to be more or less the entrance, where this will actually be partially on poles. We're doing this to sort of showcase a home on poles and what we can achieve. Where you can see it sort of pick up a little bit is where the garage is going to be. So this here's the starting mark. So we've got all the different points. So coming up here will be the driveway, and the actual, where I'm standing sort of now, is going to be the more or less the freeform living area of the home. Just here will be the study, and then there will be master bedroom, bedrooms, living, kitchen, garage. So as you can see, the surveyors at the moment just making sure all the levels are all okay, and they'll start marking out the site, ready to do pour the footings and all that kind of thing. And with a bit of luck, we'll hopefully have a slab poured down next week, just before Christmas. At the moment, with some of the coastal homes we're building, it's on sort of sand dunes and that. We decided, rather than have the home completely on a flat sandy block, we'd put part of it on poles and that, just to sort of show this is the look of the home when it's half on poles. We've almost tried to mimic a sloping block, and how we would do it if this was a sloping block.